What happens when an unboxing reveals more than just the latest gadget? In 2021, a popular tech reviewer opened an ordinary-looking box, only to discover an internal device that was meant for surveillance. As the reviewer dug deeper, an intricate web of espionage began to emerge, connecting major tech companies conspiring against each other. Viewers were left stunned, as shocking evidence was presented. Hidden codes revealing stolen secrets and plans for new product launches. This unboxing not only captivated millions but also sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving competitors scrambling to protect their innovations and strategies.